In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a hamstring curl on a TRX. So firstly, I've got a mat here that I'm sitting on just for comfort, and I've set up the TRX all ready to be in the position that I'm going to be doing my hamstring curl with. Now, as a vague rule of thumb, just so you can get a bit of perspective, and you can see how high this is, we're not too high off the floor. At the same time, we're not close to the floor. If we're too close, you're going to scuff the floor. Too high, it's going to be too difficult to do the exercise because you're going to be halfway suspended in the air. So try and find that happy medium where you're not too close to the floor or not too high up. Now, the position of getting into the TRX is you're actually going to put your heels of your feet into the TRX handle. So that is going to look like this. And then I'm going to try and place the rest of the foot in line with the TRX. So you can almost think of this as the foot is facing directly up to the ceiling. Once you've done the other side, you are ready to go. And what you want to then do is make sure your feet are equal with each other. Now I'm going to place myself all the way back. So I'm now laying down. And I've got that TRX suspended directly above where my feet are. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to raise up the hips. So if you watch my hips come up off the floor, this is your start position. So my legs are completely straight, my bum has come off the floor, and then to do my repetitions, I'm now going to bring the TRX in a position where my heels are coming towards my glutes. So I'm dragging my heels back, squeezing at the end part of the motion and keeping my hips always off the floor. Once you've done, bring your feet up, and that is how you do a TRX hamstring curl.